Hello viewers, and welcome to our channel, 5 Best Pick. When buying any products, it can be challenging to find the most value for money item. To make your purchase decision easier, in this video we picked only the best tools by comparing hundreds of products based on a few criteria and ranked them. For example, features of the product, manufacturer's reputation, value for money, and most importantly, user feedback. If you choose from this list, you can be rest assured that you are buying the best product. Please do check the product link in the description box below, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel to enjoy more awesome contents like this. So, without any delay, let's get started.
Our number one pick is Ninja BN801 Kitchen System. This kitchen system is a true multitasker, combining a traditional countertop blender, a personal blender for individual drinks, and a food processor all in one. It can crush ice and make milkshakes and cocktails, but it also has two 24-ounce cups that screw on to make individual smoothies for busy mornings. It also includes a 64-ounce processor bowl for chopping vegetables for salsa, pureeing, and even kneading up to 2 pounds of bread dough with the included dough blade. There are 5 Auto IQ preset programs on the system for making smoothies, crushing ice, making juices, chopping, and kneading dough. Manual controls include low, medium, and high-speed settings, as well as pulsing. The dishwasher-safe blades, pitcher, single-serve cups, and processor bowl make cleanup a breeze. Our second best Ninja blender is Ninja Compact Kitchen System. If you want the multitasking functionality of a blender processor combo system but don't have a lot of kitchen storage space, this compact hybrid system could be the ideal solution. It can crush ice, chop ingredients, knead dough, and make smoothies and frozen drinks, just like the larger Ninja Professional Plus kitchen system. The Ninja Compact Kitchen System with Auto IQ is 3 appliances in one. It's a full-size blender, single-serve blender, and food processor all in one kitchen system. It comes with a 5-cup processor bowl and an 18-ounce single-serve cup, in addition to the full-size 72-ounce pitcher, which can hold up to 64 ounces of liquid. 3 preset programs for making smoothies, blending frozen drinks, and mixing batters or dough, as well as a manual pulse button, are included in the streamlined controls. Take the guesswork out of your kitchen. Make perfect smoothies, resort-style frozen drinks, or evenly mixed batters and dough, all at the touch of a button. Third in our list is Ninja BL660 Professional Blender. The most versatile blenders are also the best blenders. This blender, which is a hybrid of a pitcher blender and a personal blender, has a 1,100-watt motor and 6 blades for crushing ice and blending frozen cocktails, smoothies, and sauces. It is simple to use, with 3 manual speed settings and a pulse button. Aside from the 72-ounce BPA-free plastic pitcher, which is ideal for making a large batch of drinks, the set also includes 2 16-ounce cups with lids for single-serve smoothies on the go. The cups screw onto the motor base, allowing you to use it as a personal blender for small batches. Everything except the base is dishwasher safe when it comes to cleaning. Blend your favorite frozen fruits directly into the cup, then simply twist on a lid to enjoy delicious smoothies on the go. With your Ninja Professional Blender, you can make all your favorite drinks, dips, and dressings. Number 4 in our best Ninja blender list is Ninja BN701 Professional Blender. This powerful blender includes a single 72-ounce pitcher that holds up to 64 ounces of liquid. The motor base has up to 1,400 watts of power, which is ideal for crushing ice and pulverizing hard foods like nuts. Simpler is sometimes better in smaller kitchens with limited storage space for extra parts and accessories. The manual program buttons are simple and straightforward, with low, medium, and high speeds as well as a pulse button for precise control of the blending process. It also has 3 pre-programmed programs for making smoothies, crushing ice, and making ice cream from pre-frozen ingredients. Crush ice for resort-style frozen drinks like margaritas, daiquiris, and more. The dishwasher-safe blender blades and pitcher make cleanup a breeze. Our last pick is Ninja BN401 Nutri Pro Compact Personal Blender. Despite its small size, this 1,000-watt blender is fast and powerful. It includes an 18-ounce and a 24-ounce cup with tight sealing sipping lids, making it ideal for making individual smoothies on the go. Because of the intelligent preset programs, you can simply place your ingredients in the cup, press the button, and walk away. All removable components are BPA-free and dishwasher safe. Blend directly in the 24 ounces single-serve cup, attach the spout lid, and enjoy your creations on the go. So compact that it fits on any countertop, and has intuitive, easy-to-use controls. Easily attach cup and blades assembly to start blending within seconds. Create tropical frozen drinks perfect for cooling down or enjoying on the go. Effortlessly create dips like hummus and dressings for your favorite salads. For details, let's watch more.
Thanks for watching this video. Beside top-rated product video, we randomly provide special Amazon discount offer. So, please subscribe 5 Best Pick to get more product deal and videos on your feed. You can also check below description for updated best product link and price. Happy shopping!